Hey guys, so this is just a quick update on why I'm not been posting videos this past few days. Is because school just started and I'm busy with a lot of stuff. And right now, I'm working on the Firebase Messenger, and so this is just the login.js. And actually, if we open our Figma, I'm working on the website design, and this is going to be the homepage. So you can add people and you can search people, and then you can actually message them, right? And then we're also gonna have pictures, profile pictures, and we're gonna be using Firebase storage to store those profile pictures. So it's pretty basic, but hopefully I'll be finishing this next week. So thank you for your patience, and make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss this. This is going to be we're gonna be using Material UI, Firebase authentication, Firebase Firestore, and Firebase storage. So there's a lot of things that you're gonna learn, and it's actually a good project for your resume. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.